Expand sec x about x equals pi over 4. Find sec 44 degrees to 3dp. So let's have a look at this then. F of x is sec x. So differentiate sec. Sec differentiates to sec tan, doesn't it? Standard derivative. So let's write that down. And then f double dashed. Product, so we use a product rule. U times the v dx. Tan differentiates to sec squared, so that will make it a cube, won't it? Plus v times the u dx, and sec goes to sec tan, so there's a sec in here and another tan, so we've got that. F of 3, so we'll go to 3. So sec cubed is a function of a function, so it'll be 3 sec squared x multiplied by what sec differentiates to, which is sec tan. So that's that one done. Now we've got a product u, and that's a tan squared, but when you do the v dx you get another tan squared, so that makes tan 4, plus v times du dx, 2 tan x to the power 1 multiplied by sec squared, so that becomes a sec cubed, doesn't it? So we need f of pi over 4. Sec of pi over 4 is 1 over cos pi over 4, and cos pi over 4 is 1 over root 2, so sec will be root 2, won't it? F dashed pi over 4. Well, it will simply be root 2 times 1, which is root 2. F double dashed pi over 4. So we've got a root 2 here cubed, which is 2 root 2. And then we've got a sec, which is a root 2 times 1 squared, which is 1. So that's plus another root 2. So that'll be 3 root 2, so I'll just put it like so. And f of 3 pi over 4 is equal to... Oh, okay, better have a bit more room here. So it's equal to 3 sec cubed. Sec is root 2, so that's 2 root 2 here. So that's 6 root 2 times 1, so that's 6 lots of root 2. Tan to the 4 is just 1. And then sec cubed is 2 root 2 times another 2 is 4 root 2 times 1. So that's plus 4 root 2. So altogether we've got 10 root 2 plus 1. So let's just put that down as such. So it's 10 root 2 plus 1. So that's equal to 10 root 2 plus 1. So that's what we've got there. So our f of x, which is sec x, is equal to f of a, which is pi over 4. So f of pi over 4 is root 2. Plus f dashed, which is root 2, x minus pi over 4, the a is pi over 4, isn't it? Plus f double dashed, which is 3 root 2, x minus a squared over 2, so x minus pi over 4 squared over 2 factorial, plus the next term is f3, which is 10 root 2 plus 1. X minus pi over 4, this time, cubed, over 3 factorial, and the series continues. So put in x equals, now 44 degrees, sec 44 degrees, so x equals 44 pi over 180s, isn't it, as radians? So put in that value gives then. So we'll get sec, and I'm going to write it as 44 degrees because it's easier on the eye. On this side, it'll be root 2 plus root 2. Now 44 degrees minus 45 is just minus 1 degree. And 1 degree is equivalent to pi over 180. But as we said, this was minus 1 degree, so they're all in the brackets, they're all minus pi's over 180s. Plus 3 root 2. Minus pi over 180 squared over 2 plus 10 root 2 plus 1 bracket minus pi over 180 cubed over 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. Okay, that's what we've got then. So it equals, so let's tap it in the calculator and see what we get. So we're going to get root 2 plus root 2 times this bracket here minus negative pi times divided by 180 bracket, and that's just that, plus 3 root 2 plus 3 times root 2 times this bracket now again, negative pi divided by 180 bracket squared divided by 2. Then it's plus, that was the squared term, so let's put that over here now, plus bracket 10 root 2 plus 1, so 10 times the square root of 2 plus 1, close that bracket, times bracket negative pi divided by the 180, close bracket, power cubed, ground level, divide that by 6, which is 3 factorial, equals 1.390 to 3 dp. And that was to 3 decimal places.